So, good morning. Welcome back to Jack Fishing TV. So, another fishing session, another fishing adventure po ulit tayo today. At today is Sunday, January 26. Alright, 2025. Maaga tayo nag-fishing at nag-try tayo mag-cast. May mga maraming bait fish dito na nagkalat. At ayun, nahuli natin yung nanginginain dito. At ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung video. Ayan. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Huwag kang matatanggal. Huwag kang matatanggal. Maliit lang. Fish on. Fish on. Huwag kang matatanggal. 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 Barakuda. 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 Huli. Huli. Barakuda. Fish on. Matatanggal. Okay. Good size. Fish on. Oh, amazing. Yeah. So ayan. Yan siya. Laki. Amazing. So tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki. Yan yung binti ko. Yan. Alright. Amazing. Amazing. At ayun, nakahuli tayo ng barakuda. So ito. Dito nga po. Ayun. So ayun. Amazing. So ito, nahuli natin. Amazing. So ayan, barakuda. So ngayon titimbangin natin kung ano ang timbang niya. Let's weigh it. So ang gamit natin na setup is medium heavy. At galing to sa Performance Marine. So yung gamit natin na rod is Okuma Matrix spinning rod. Medium heavy 902 mH. So yung reel naman is Okuma ITX 4000H. So napakaganda niyang gamitin. Ideal siya pang shore casting, shore fishing. So shore casting, shore jigging. At napakalayo ng nararating na pag kinas mo siya. So ideal siya talaga pang shore fishing. 9 feet siya. Meron din 10 feet. So mas mahaba, mas maganda. Napakaganda as in talaga. Visit Performance Marine and check their items. They have a lot of items for boat fishing, for shore fishing, even the reels. So they have a lot of reels. They have rods. They have lures. Please visit Performance Marine. They will give you a discount. Just mention our name, Jack Fishing TV. They will give you 15% discount. They will give you discount, more or less 15% discount. So, timbangin natin ang ating huli. 00, kita ba? 00. 00, kita ba? So, ayan. Timbangin natin, let's see kung gaano kabigat. Alright. So 00. Oh, 2.3 ba? 2.3. So ayan siya. 2.3. Kita naman siguro. Ayan. Ating huli. Amazing. So, by the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And follow me on my Facebook page. I have TikTok account also and Instagram account. Same name, Jack Fishing TV. Alright. So, shout out sa mga masugid nating taga-subaybay. Shout out sa inyo. Thank you for supporting my channel. And also, don't forget to follow my Facebook page, okay? Facebook page, TikTok account, and Instagram. Alright, so hanggang dito lang tayo. I think hanggang dito lang ang ating fishing adventure for today. So thank you for watching. Alright, God bless. See you on the next vlog. Alright, thank you.